Brood mares and babies. Walk on. And I'm going to just see what he does when he gets to the end of the driveway. Knows where the gate is because he keeps looking at it. Interesting. He says, I'm not quite ready to go further down the road that way. And nobody ever gets to go straight back to the barn when I'm working them. They all make figure eights around the trees, whether they're under saddle or in harness. Makes no difference. That's a boy. What a good boy. Quiet. Quiet. Hi, Doodoo's. You didn't try and follow us down the road. Good girl. She knows she's not allowed to ride with the babies. What a fine boy you're being. Gale, whoa. Whoa. What a good boy. Walk on. Hey, Raven. Ah, Raven wasn't out there. Raven was still at the barn. Raven is 28, and in her old age, she is having some visual issues. Walk on. Oh, I know it's heavy pulling me up over that hill, huh? You have to coast so that the wheels don't get caught going in. Walk on. It's okay. Walk up. And whoa. Good boy. Nope, get your head straight. This is same as riding. Whoa. My fault, not his. Whoa. That's the most dangerous time, is getting it on and off, in and out of the cart. Whoop, 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 whoop. Now you have to come back. Nope. You have to come back. Come back. Well, I got 3 steps out of you. You thought that was enough, huh? You're wrong. Good boy. Look, back. Back. That's a good boy. Back. That's right. Good. Close enough I can get a cross tie on him. Not today, but in the future, if he moves while I'm unhitching, he gets to go back out. Today was the first day. Back. That's a good boy. Back. That's right. Now come this way. You didn't figure on having to do that, did you? So you can just stand with your head crooked. There you go. Good boy. Oh, what a good boy. I'm thrilled to death.